Hello and welcome to Airline Hydraulics. Today I'm on location in our Pittsburgh facility where we're going to meet with our friend Greg to talk about the Smart HPU and the PumpMD. Come on, let's go take a look.
Hello, I'm Greg Gulnac, an application technology specialist from Airline Hydraulics. I'm here today with our Smart HPU and to introduce to you IoT Diagnostics PumpMD. PumpMD is a device that measures the pressure and temperature of the case drain of your hydraulic piston pump. That processed data can be sent from the PumpMD to the cloud to generate pump health diagnostics. This in turn provides predictive maintenance for the heart of your hydraulic system. Let's take a closer look at the PumpMD. As you can see here, we're connected directly to the piston pump's case drain port. On the other side, we're connected directly to tank. We also have an M12 5-pin connector with our 24-volt DC power supply. Also, we have a power indicator LED, a pressure LED indicator, and also a temperature LED indicator. You can retrieve your process data from the PumpMD one of two ways. The PumpMD connects wirelessly to the IoT Experience Cloud Service. This service provides a graphical view and logging of your data. The PumpMD also provides two 0 to 10 volt DC analog signals through the M12 connector. These signals can be connected to any PLC or other monitoring device. In addition to the PumpMD, let's take a wider look at our Smart HPU demo. Our Smart HPU configuration monitors fluid cleanliness, temperature, and water saturation in the oil. Included in our Smart HPU demo are the following products: Bosch Rexroth Go-Back Hydraulic System, which is designed with the Bosch Rexroth Online Go Designer Design Configurator. Phoenix Contact M-Guard. This device protects our industrial network from online predators. Phoenix WLAN 2100 Wireless Access Point. Phoenix Contact PLC Next PLC with a built-in virtual HMI. Worma Smart Monitor Light Stack System with a built-in IoT features. IoT Diagnostics Dock 4, Sensor to the Cloud Gateway.